How to set up device. The hardware bundle is provided with the device that includes the following components: an Android device, power adapter, USB to mini USB cable, HDMI cable, OTG cable, Android device installation guide, getting started instructions, and scratch card, if applicable. If you did not sign up your account using your credit card, then you will have to follow the instructions and sign up using your scratch card. The first step is to connect the device with the display. There are two options. Option 1 is where you can directly plug device into the HDMI port on the TV. Option 2 is where you can connect the device with the TV using HDMI cable. This is especially useful when there is insufficient space around the HDMI port on the TV. The slots present in the device are HDMI slot, power adapter slot, micro SD card slot, USB slot, mini USB slot. When the device is powered on, Cremsen Display App will be started automatically. If the Cremsen Display App has not started automatically, then it can be started manually from the menu by double-clicking the app icon. You will need to set up the Wi-Fi on the device before you can register the device. Click on the display's right side holding mouse and drag it down to view available Wi-Fi options. Now you can select the appropriate Wi-Fi hotspot and provide the password, if required. Restart the display app from menu. It will ask the first time configuration for the display. Now enter the details. Caption could be anything with which you will refer the device within your organization. Provider key is registration number specific to your customer account. In order to find out your provider key, you need to log into centrix.cremsenplayer.com using your customer admin credentials. Once logged in, access the customer profile option from the top right menu showing profile picture or icon. Now note the provider key. Enter the provider key noted in the previous step. Set the device orientation to portrait or landscape depending on how you wish to place the display. After entering the details on this screen, enter Submit button to complete the registration process.